We are in line to enter the Westminster Abbey. Very Gothic construction, very curious to see. Because from outside, it's really attractive. Look at the entrance. This is the side entrance. It's not the main entrance, but let's give you an idea of the level of detail. You can imagine that normally would be considered a normal main entrance, but in fact it's only a side entrance. Well, we just left Westminster Abbey. It was beautiful inside. St. Paul is nicer as a building, but this is historically, this is more important. That's much more value, especially for United Kingdom, royal family, and so and so. And it's actually a burial site, right? Because there are so many tombs of everybody. So yeah, but we couldn't take film inside, so that's why. I mean, it's not allowed. So I had to put the camera in the backpack and no video. I took some pictures. I will post it on Instagram and Facebook. But now we are going to walk to the Golden Eye. Last visit before flying back home. There it is. Here we are. Pretty massive, looks like. Let's go in. Here's Shrek Adventure, I think, for Chiara. It's not yet. So this is the fast track. Even with the fast track, you have a bit of line, but should be no problem. Should be no problem. Non mi andate di binocolo, vabbè.
Hello and welcome to the lastminute.com London Eye. Are you ready to be part of London's skyline? Whilst you're enjoying the amazing views, the ride might stop briefly.
We are almost on the edge of the wheel. To experience 360 degrees.
That's the shark.
Huh? There we go. We are on top. Last steps in London. Going for lunch, then take a taxi, go to the airport and fly back home. It was 3.5 intense days, but we enjoyed. So, there we go. What do we eat for lunch? Pie?
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe the shepherd's pie.
Shepherd pie.
Chicken
What?
pot.
Chicken pot.
Straks even kijken.
I don't know. I will see. A pint for sure. Then we see. Which one? Bye bye London. This is our way. Very short flight to Rotterdam. 1 hour. Even less actually, 45 minutes. See you.